Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make traditional egg curry. First, I'm going to blanch 1 tomato. Bring a pot of water to boil. Make an egg-shaped incision on the bottom of the tomato. Add this tomato to the hot water. Blanch the tomato for 30 seconds. Using a slotted spoon, remove tomatoes. Put them in ice cold water. After a minute, peel them off. Heat a pan, dry roast red chilies, cinnamon stick, black peppercorns and cloves. Roast on a low flame for a minute until aromatic. Remove from the heat and set them aside to cool. In the same pan, dry roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds. Roast them on a low flame. Remove and set them aside. Next, dry roast mustard seeds. When the seed starts crackling, remove it. In a mixer, grind together onion, garlic, tamarind, all the roasted spices, freshly grated coconut, turmeric and blanched tomato. Add water and grind to a smooth paste. Boil 5 eggs. When they are sufficiently cool, peel them. In a cooking vessel, heat 2 teaspoons ghee and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Add 1 sliced onion. Saute till the onions are nice and brown. Now add the ground paste. Saute for 1 minute. Cover and cook till it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, add water from the mixer jar to get the desired consistency. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Now cover and cook till it starts to boil. Now break 1 egg and drop into the boiling curry. Slit each egg vertically just halfway into the egg so the flavors can get into the eggs. Add the boiled eggs to the curry. Mix the gravy well. Also add coriander leaves. Simmer the curry for 5 minutes. For the tempering, heat 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Add 1 small sliced onion. Fry onion till they turn brown. Add this to the gravy. Remove to a serving bowl. Serve hot with appam, neer dosa or steamed rice. If you like this recipe, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.